Hello, friends! It's International Pokemon Day, and to celebrate, we have a limited supply of Pokemon Trainer Kits. In your Pokemon Trainer Kit, you'll get a Pokemon Trainer card, 4 evolution cards, including Pikachu and the 3 original starters, Bulbasaur, Charmander, and Squirtle, and your own Pokeball. All you need at home to become a Pokemon trainer once you have this kit are markers or colored pencils for your trainer card and evolution cards, scissors and glue for the evolution cards, and paint for your Pokeball. If you need paint, stop by the library and we are happy to give you some to take home. Let me show you what the kit looks like. So you have your very own official Pokemon trainer card. You can put a picture of yourself as a Pokemon trainer. You can draw something, you can do a little collage, whatever excites you. And then you can put your 6 Pokemon on your team. And of course, we're giving you 4, so you can draw your 2 favorite alongside the 4 that you are getting in your kit. The Pokemon evolution cards are pretty cool. You start with Pichu, who evolves into Pikachu, who of course evolves into Raichu. And these are sort of like little flip books that show you the evolution of the Pokemon. So for this, you'll need to color your Pokemon. They won't come pre-colored like this. And you'll need scissors and some glue to put them together. There are instructions on the second evolutionary page. There's also a link to a video from Hadafant, who created the evolution card. So we encourage you to check out their video. It's pretty straightforward, but it can be confusing if you get your parts in the wrong order. So make sure that if you're not sure what parts go where, watch the video on your paper, your printout of your evolution. So of course, you'll get Pikachu's evolutions, Bulbasaur, Ivysaur, and Venusaur. Show you. Squirtle, Vortortle, and Blastoise. And last but not least, Charmander, Charmeleon, and Charizard. So if you want to pick your favorite starter and only make them, that of course is fine. But we thought it would be better if you had 4 Pokemon before you go out into the wild. And of course, before you catch any of the Pokemon that we're not giving you, you will need your very own Pokeball. So we're giving you some styrofoam balls that you can paint into your Pokeball. You just need some red and black paint, and you are good to go. I choose you! Pikachu! Have fun on this International Pokemon Day, friends, and we will see you again soon.